In this video, we're going to work on a word problem using decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says, Sienna and her friends ran in a three-part race. The first part of the race was 2.3 kilometers long. The second part was 1.2 kilometers long. And the third part was 3.5 kilometers long. How many kilometers was the entire race? So the first thing to do is not get intimidated by all these words. You just have to break it down and look at the words. And the first step is identify the words that tell you what you need to do. So the word entire, so it says how many kilometers was the entire race, tells us that you would need to find the whole thing. So this would mean that we add. So we would just add all of those decimals together to find the answer, and that would give us how many kilometers the entire race was. And then when working with decimals, remember to line up the decimal points. So how would that look? So it would look like this. So I take 2.3, here's 2.3, 1.2, here's 1.2, and 3.5, here's 3.5. And the decimals are all perfectly lined up. The tenths are all lined up, and the ones are all lined up. So now we can just add it all up. And so what we could do is, when we add the tenths first, and if you can't do this, you could use one of my tricks. So we know 3 plus 2 is 5. This one is 5 too. So 5 plus 5 we know is 10. So we could put 0 here. And we know we have to carry the 1, right? So now we know 2 plus 1 is 3. And we have 3 plus 3 is 6. And then you add 1, and that's 7. So we put a 7 here. So step 3. So add like you would any whole number, which is what we did here. And then the final tip is don't forget the decimal point in the final answer, because if we leave it like this, the answer will be wrong. We're looking at 70 when actually the answer is supposed to be 7.0, okay? So that's the last part. Take a look at the description, and there's other videos in there that are related to this to give you some practice. And you could also download my ebook, which can help you follow along with all of my videos. And it'll be helpful to you to get more practice.